What's going on, you savages? Spring break is over and we have taken our 3-week break from theme parks because Florida gets crazy for spring break. It's now past Easter. It's Saturday past Easter, and we are taking off to Universal for a couple days, staying at Cabana Bay, and we're going to do the parks today, a little shopping, and then Volcano Bay tomorrow. See how this turns out. The weather's beautiful. It's supposed to be raining over there. Beard and hair are getting long. 3 weeks. Let's go. So when we get to Orlando, usually we go to this batter shop here on I Drive that is actually like, yeah, it's a big discount store. My friend Greg used to work in, told us about a long time ago, and super cheap surf store. So we're gonna go get some stuff for the water park and maybe some stuff to wear today, and maybe some unnecessary stuff that we don't need. But anyway, we're on I Drive now, and as you can see, I Drive is an absolute circus at all times, which is why we love it. All right, we in America bought a bunch of stuff. Now the weather's coming in. It doesn't look like it's too good. It's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow, which may blow off our plans. We're gonna go give it a shot. Anywho.
We hear y'all. Family suite, $250. Same room at where? Disney? Be about $1,200. Good to be back to Universal.
Macy's got her Spider-Man duds on. She's ready. What are you gonna do when you see Spider-Man, Macy?
The pool and the fish lounge and hotel. I'm going to hotel.
All right, well, Sawyer says he's not going to do the tour, which is generally his part of the vlog. Macy, do you want to do the room tour?
Yes.
All right, tell us what we got.
We're going to a hotel and we at the hotel.
How many beds are there?
1, 2.
So how many?
1, 2.
2 beds.
2 beds.
What about toilets? How many toilets?
Oh, just 1.
Just 1. What about showers? How many showers are there?
2. 2.
You see 2 showers? I see 1 shower. Anywho, this is an awesome place to stay. $250 a night. Get a little separate quarters so Macy can pass out before us. We got a little divider here. And $250 is an absolute value compared to Disney.
Absolute
Take it off. Absolute value. Did we bring the new clothes? Oh, we didn't. I'll go get them. Pool is crazy packed. Saturday, we don't often get to do Saturday theme parks, but today we did, and it's packed, man. Figured these people would be at the park. I don't even know if we're going to the park. Sawyer and his sister say they just want to go in the pool, so we may not even go to Universal today. We might just chill in the pool and then do Volcano Bay in the morning if it's not raining. The weather's moving in. We'll run into the car real quick to grab some stuff, and we'll see what happens. Yo, this pool is packed. Packed. Packed pool. Lots of pee. Pee pool. Pee-packed pee pool.
Helicopter. Boom! I will vlog on you.
Hello, Macy. Well, that was a good hour 10 in the pool. Over here at the absolutely beautiful day. Sun's blocked. Standing poolside, 1432. It has been a very long time, but tonight we return, Macy, to Shake Shack. Woo!
And we got to the pool and a poopy.
And just like that, I think we got a little lightning and they had to clear the pool. That's all right.
Pools are done.
Lightning.
Oh, look at that. How's that for timing?
How's that for timing, fam damly?
It's pool's all done. And guess what? Now we go to the other pool, Shake Shack.
It won't lock with the keys in it.
Out of a vehicle.
You've been lacked out of it of a lifetime. Lacked out of a lifetime.
We just go eat.
Yes, we can. We can go eat, in fact, and we're gonna go eat. What's it look like in there? How's your eyes? Are you all right? Sawyer's got a little chemical burn in his eyes from the chlorine. Let me see. Let me see.
I need the glasses. I need glasses.
You all right?
Yeah, I need
Chlorine eyes. Maybe when we were splashing, splash fight.
Yeah.
When you were losing the tidal wave splash fights. Oh God, yes. Oh God, yes. And there's nobody here.
Right. Oh, look at this.
What?
Tiramisu shake.
What? What? Truffle burger. Dad wants to die. We came, we saw, we $61 Shake Shack. Mom, do you feel vindicated in spending $3.20s on that meal?
I'm happy.
Ooh, I saw some
I'm
light.
full because I ate the kids' chicken too. Burger was good, as per usual. Nothing wrong with a little Shake Shack dinner. Gonna go to Old
Ooh,
Navy,
lightning.
get Sawyer some flippy floppies, and then we're back to the hotel to run around like wild
watch out for the
people.
car, Sawyer.
Watch out for the car! So as a lifelong Florida boy, I can tell you there's a good storm coming. We got some thunder, we got some lightning, everything is shut down, the parks were shutting down. So we didn't do parks today.
Dad, did you know when I was 4 years old? Ooh, that's a lot.
We tried to get on the list, dude. They were sold out for the night, so we're on the cancellation list. So if they text me, we can do it. But for now, we'll go to the most packed arcade there is. Going? The heck we going? Back downstairs, see what they got. I didn't. I got a mouthful of Macy's
Down
milkshake.
the stairs.
What did?
It's fine.
Sawyer just threw his flip flop down the stairs. That's what kids do. Bruh. Bruh. Well, apparently we were not done with eating. But also at the Bayliner Diner, the cool thing is they play these commercials from the 60s. on all the TV screens as you eat in this giant cafeteria. Sawyer is eating 10 p.m. pizza. How was the pizza?
It was fun.
Yeah, better than the chickens?
That's where we're going tomorrow.
Where?
To Volcano Bay.
Oh, we're going to ride the volcano tomorrow?
Yeah.
Can do. I can't go for that. No, no, can do. I can't go for that. Can't go for that. Can't go for that. I can't go for that. Yeah.
Dude, that looks
Oh, you can see the castle top right there. That's the top of Hogwarts. Right there. Right there, over our room. Old Dumbledore. Old Dumbledores. Okay, that's it. End of day 1. Me and Sawyer are back in our room. Everyone's sleeping. We're gonna go to bed and we're gonna wake up tomorrow. Alright, see you then. And good morning from our room. And it was a very short night of sleep because Macy Bell decided that 6:30 would be the time we'd wake up today. So we're watching Volcano Bay television, getting fired up on the Tappy Tappies. Yeah, Macy, there she is, the Macy Bell. And the Saw Dogs. You. And Mommy.
Mommy and
Mom's trying to figure out cooler requirements so we can go. So the plan is we're going to go to the Bayliner Diner for breakfast. Even though Mom brought breakfast, I think that we should still go to the Bayliner Diner. I know, just kid stuff. But yeah, you know, these rooms are dope. $250 for these rooms, and they do what you need to do. Anyway, we're getting all packed up here to head downstairs to do a full day on GoPro at Water Park. We've all got our new threads on from the surf shop. It should be a good day. Didn't rain like it was supposed to last night. What's the rain look like today, Mama? I haven't either. Let's look. Let's all look together. Got it, baby.
Hold on.
Make sure there's no dog hair.
No dog hair.
Scrape off that top layer. Dog hair layer. All right, let's take a look at this weather, bud. What do you think?
72.
4 p.m. So not until 4 p.m. does it rain today. So they were wrong about all of it. Didn't rain last night. Just thunder and lightning. And then, yeah, Macy, we're going to the pool. And there's slides.
Yeah.
Hey, did you know, by the way, I watched a volcano video. They're building a brand new slide at Volcano Bay.
What's it going to be called?
It's going to, you mean what color it is?
Yeah, what color is it?
It's going to be red and green.
What? Red and green. All right, breakfast time. Let's make the move.
I got you, buddy.
Look at this.
Yeah.
It's like the Atlantic and the Pacific coming together, but not mixing ever.
You know what? Or it's like the hot water and the cold water mixing, and then it's the perfect bioluminescence right here in the center. That's right.
I mean,
We'll
I
fix
believe
it.
that glows in the dark. Yes.
Chocolate milk.
We will fix it.
What do you want?
Ketchup.
What?
Ooh. I like ketchup.
Put it on the counter. All right, here. Let me butter up your biscuit. Put some jelly on it. Which jelly you want? Strawberry or grape?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Ooh, we got a biscuit. It's so fluffy. Yeah, you did.
Diner? I like it.
All right, well,
Diner's a good
some
name
little
for a
girl
dog.
just gave Macy some beads from Mardi Gras. That was awesome. And we are
Passing out beads. I like
just
it.
passing Mardi Gras style. Not really, because, you know, you
it
didn't have to
Mardi
do the
Gras?
thing. But breakfast is breakfast. Now we're walking back to the truck. Drive over for early entry to Volcano Bay.
Yeah, we're pretty early right
Yeah, dude, we're ahead of schedule.
now.
When have we
Get
ever
up in
said that?
15 minutes.
Have we ever said that?
Never.
Ahead of schedule?
Never, not once.
How was your coffee experience?
Oh, it was good. I made it myself at home and brought it in a service.
And it was better than waiting in line at a corporate greed.
Well, don't get me wrong, Starbucks coffee is delicious, but no thanks. Not at this hotel.
Come on, Macy. So the best part about this is here's your hotel right here, and here's your entrance to the water park. And so everybody coming
Hold on, there's
gets
a car.
to. I got you. Come on,
Sorry,
come on,
Daddy's hand. Okay.
come on.
Girl today.
We're good. I'll take it. So you get early entry into the water park, and you get to walk right in. So let's go, family. Let's go. This is why you stay at the hotel, so you don't have to wait. You get the early entry, and you walk right in. No waits. It's all about no waits. Figuring it out, making the move. Yeah, lady.
Oh.
Just keep going.
I mean, there's more coming right now.
Whatever. You can go stop her here. There's two. She might not be wrong. We're gonna get wet! Oh no! Yeah, dude!
Always follow two-letter instructions and ask for assistance if needed. If you're an expected level or if you
Dude, I just got dizzy on a raft ride, but as per usual, my camera wouldn't turn on while we were in the raft, so I snuck it on for no reason. Try again in a minute. Back to the kids area. Well, we've really been splash padding hard today, and now we're gonna go into the Krakatoa Falls crazy wave pool that you have to wear a vest in because there's crazy waves and you just go with the current. You just kind of get washed out and washed around. Macy can't go in this one, so it's just me and Sawyer. But, yow. wave. Here comes the surge. Woo! Big surge. Stairs. More rapids. Woo! Big turn. Whippy. 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 Whip it the other way. Whip. Whip. Alright, here we go. Pull your butt up. Get more speed. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, Blue. Yeah, Blue. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, Blue's awesome. Blue's way better than green. Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. Snuck the camera on. 2 rides, 3 rides, 2 rides. Car, hold it like that. Ready? Go!
Well, that's the end of Volcano Bay. We will see you next year at
Where are we going? I talked Mom into Universal.
Oh, yeah. But subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of my videos. And my dad's Novak's out. Just kidding, we're not done.
All right, that's it from Krakatoa Falls, Volcano Bay. It's about 2 o'clock now. My son is kicking his flip-flop at me. But we have convinced Mom somehow, some way, even though everything's on fire with our business at home, we're never over here on a Saturday or Sunday. So we have convinced her to go to Universal. Somehow, some way. There will be repercussions, oh yes. But Dad's willing to take that chance. Let's go ride some stuff. I'm gonna get the kids some chicken fingers at BK, and then we're out. Boop. All right, what are we here to ride?
Horsey.
What, Dr. Seuss Sneeches? The Sneeches and Sleeches.
The horsey.
The Sleeches and Sneeches merry-go-round.
Do we go on the merry-go-round?
Yeah, merry-go-round. Light crowds. I know we're in the middle of a, day and night, but it's light crowds. I like it. So I had this great idea to come get the kids chicken fries because now Sawyer's eating Burger King chicken fries. I know, not the best choice, but at least he'll eat some meat. And just realized this place is a Whopper bar, so I don't even know if they have chicken fries here. I gotta go see. If not, they probably have French fries, at least. Well, I think we're gonna go do this Dr. Seuss stuff, and then we'll go get on the hippogriff. What do you think about that? And Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. Everyone's leaving the park, as you can see. There might be a little weather coming in. We just like to take advantage of that. We're gonna sneak in, we're gonna pop for 3 hours, get 10 things written. Here we go, let's see what we can do. Burger King has been acquired in our bellies. I mean for the kids, I didn't eat any Burger King. Maybe I had a French fry or two. Let's do this.
Norman.
Who's Norman?
Norman.
Who's Norman?
The elephant.
The elephant?
Norman, right?
You mean Horton?
Yeah,
Horton here is a who, remember?
Horton.
I thought his name.
If you have a dog, leave it at home. Leave it at home. Leave your dog at home.
Never catch fish in McElligott Pool.
I can't believe there's a duck in the pool last week.
So what's on him?
What?
So what's on him?
Somewhere along the line, our vlogs are going to change to not riding any of the Cat in the Hat stuff, but probably not for like 8 years. So here we are, Cat in the Hat. Seen this one before? Wow. All right, you ready to try it again? Try it. 3, 2, 1. Give it a good push. Do it. Oh, magic.
Should we get something from Miss Carpenter?
Do you guys have those vacuum arm, long cleaning arms that automatically clean the house in here that are on the ride now? Back order heard. Come on, bud. Let's talk about it. The Seuss cell, which is what Macy wanted to do, is broken down, but one fish, two fish is a walk-on. It's a walk-on. So here's the deal, Macy. We were trying not to get wet on this ride. I was really hoping that you would keep us out of the water, but apparently the good Lord isn't keeping us out of the water, and we're getting rained on, y'all, in an outdoor ride. Here we are. I can feel Mom getting angrier as we sit. All right, let's go find some things to ride. Let's go find some. Oh, look at that, right here, Sawyer.
Do not move around the platform while the ride is in motion. Please do not unbuckle at any point.
Dude, look at this cow. Look at this pink cow, Macy. It's a moo cow. Oh, what is this, Harvest Festival? Cakewalk, cakewalk. Who's the St. Helens guy? Cakewalk. Turkey. We're doing a turkey raffle. Sun's out. I have to super focus on this ride or else I'm gonna get a little sick. So I can't watch my kids, can't watch my wife, I can't watch the center of the ride. I gotta stare off into the horizon on the way around and fix my eyes on some stuff, or else I throw up. Dad's a puker. What do we got? We got a front row experience. Front row. I don't know, all of a sudden I feel like Disney's been treating us pretty good. No, I get yelled at there too. Remove your hat.
Congratulations!
Maybe she thought she was working a different ride.
Your day.
Hat's back on.
To great places you all.
All right, Macy, here we go.
All the places you.
My friends, you can have them for $3 each. Just pay me your money and I'll ride aboard.
Very aggressive.
Better take your hat off.
You must not hop on.
Whoa, look at the Hulk over there.
You like greenheads and ham?
I do. I like them, Sam.
Dude, that one's sick, Sawyer.
These green eggs.
That's the one me and Mommy are riding in that picture we have. Whoop. Still got my hat. Didn't fly off on that very mild children's ride. Wait on us. He never waits on us. He gone. Here's the thing about the Dr. Seuss train here at Islands of Adventure is most places let you off in a shop with shirts and merch. This one lets you off in a sweet shop with the most giant peanut butter chocolate cookies ever. So anywho, 700 calories later, we are off to the Hippogriff. Oh, and I guess I just forgot, and it just sprung in my head that they're actually closing down Poseidon's Adventure at the end of this thing. That it's an opening day attraction, and they're going to close it after the 30 years. So it's open, but I don't think we're going to go in it because the little kid doesn't like it so much because it's dark and loud. But yeah, Poseidon's Adventure is going away. Poseidon's Fury. Nah, this is gonna be a Halloween
Yeah, this has been here.
merch. Oh, dude, that's a really cool Mardi Gras triple sleeve. I think we need a triple sleeve filthy shirt. Oh, bro. Halloween Horror Nights forever. Hi.
I can't wait to leave.
It was $10?
Yeah.
What's the matter?
What's the wax figurine? Oh, Witch Cat. I haven't seen Witch Cat. Witch's Cat. Oh, keep going this way. Nobody's getting out.
Yeah, she's.
Keep it moving.
You already clicked in.
We got. Oh, this is awesome. Is this like forever? Is this gonna be forever?
The frozen ones are crunchy.
I'm wondering if I could freeze it.
This is cool as heck, dude.
What is the significance of the rubber ducky?
For Mardi Gras?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know. Everyone has it.
I'm not too sure.
That's cool.
I'm not Cajun.
You know what? I know who to ask.
Looking snazzy, feeling jazzy. I mean, you can definitely judge a park by Hogwarts. And Hogwarts is empty. Not empty, but you see what I'm saying? You can get through here pretty easy. We got some young wizards with their wands, but Hagrid says 120. I don't believe it's 120 today. I would almost venture to say Hagrid's is about 75. I saw the line. And I'm just over here watching people eat turkey legs and drink out of water fountains. Nothing says America like a turkey leg water fountain. No, it's not yet. We just ate peanut butter cookie. Well, Hippogriff's a bit of a wait. We're waiting about 15 minutes thus far. I guess they're only running one train, which is not good for all these people, even though it's a fast pass. Not helping today. Single train. This is what?
Badass race car.
It's your what?
Badass race car.
Go on then.
You better bow your head. Better bow your head, boy. Hippogriff.
You ready for my
About
race?
25 minutes.
You ready for my race car?
All right, let's do it. You gonna make the noises the whole way? All right. It's race car time. Let's go. Mellow.
How was that?
It was good. I think I zoomed in. Hi.
Amazing! Amazing's
Not stoked. Here's a dad tip that you find out when you have little kids and you're moving around, end of queues waiting for moms to get off the ride with other siblings. At the end of all these rides is always a good place in the shade. So this is at Hogwarts Castle. This is the Forbidden Journey, and where the exit is, there's all this shade, and it's always in the shade because this side faces north. So this literally is always in the shade. So if you need a shade spot, you can come over here at any time. You just probably, on a really busy day, you'd have to fight your way through the crowd over there. But then it gets even better because you can just go right in the store. So end of queues, remember, you can enter through the exit at end of queues stuff. So now you're in an air-conditioned cold room, and even if it's busy, you can just kind of meander off to a corner. Macy can do her thing because she's sort of on nap time now, and then you can just hang in an air-conditioned corner. So if you're ever hot at a theme park, remember, A, water is free, and B, there's always somewhere to hide. Dad tip of the day. What?
I didn't even know this side existed.
Well, this is all Fantastic Beasts.
Ah!
Look at this. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I want to buy this girl shirt in an XL. Oh man, this is awesome. This is my jam here, son. Rumor has it that the new park is going to have Ministry of Magic and Fantastic Beasts. And if it does in fact have Fantastic Beasts, stoked. Because I love it. Oh, Golden Snitch. Potato City. Holy cow. Did you like that ride? No. Why didn't you like it?
Because it went upside down.
It didn't go upside down, it went backwards. That's not upside down.
I don't like doing that.
Didn't like it. Didn't like it. No good. Oh, it seems like a good spot for a picture. I don't know that I've ever noticed a Harry Potter extended queue runs right here. I guess I didn't. Got that? Come on. Come on, buddy. I'd say the last 10 times we've been here, this place has been pandemonium.
Pandemonium.
And it's nothing.
Can we please play this?
No, we're going. You already have a stuffed animal. You already brought a thing for the dog to eat for $30. What was the discount? $26? $26.
For the dog?
For the stuffed animal.
Oh, was there a discount?
Yeah, we got a pass holder on that.
Oh, you were able to, okay.
Yeah.
I wasn't there, so I didn't know that.
Oh yeah, we got pass holder.
Sweet.
$26 12-inch hot dog from a movie. That he is
Named Diner.
That he's named Diner. We did the raptor encounter one time, and the guy was a trying to be cool and pretend his dinosaur was real, and then also he took a terrible picture where the dinosaur wasn't even in the picture after like a 25-minute wait. So Sawyer's always like, let's do the raptor encounter, and we're always like, no.
When I touch that green fat one up there, then I can ride whatever I want.
Which one?
That one.
That's not, oh, the rippled one? Yeah.
Oh, no, baby. Yes!
Keep going.
Oh, I touched it. That's the one. That's the one.
All right, we find ourselves back on the Pteranodon flyers. And if Mom has her way, this will be the last thing we do.
It is definitely the last thing we're doing.
This is the last thing we're doing, definitely.
We're riding this, and we're heading home so that everyone can be in bed at a decent hour.
Decent hour.
For school tomorrow.
School tomorrow. She's the boss.
Particularly me.
Me. Bluto's Bill Trap. Velocicoaster. Velocicoaster. Mythos. Rip Ride Rocket. Pteranodon flyers. Hurry up, Macy, hurry up! Dinosaurs coming! Come on, let's go! Oh, come on! Good. Dinosaur. Gotta watch that stuff. No, we're gonna go to the, car. Pteranodons. Can't film. I think I snuck a camera on there one time. Can't film Pteranodons. Say it again. Say it again, Mom.
Say what?
You said
I said
to the exit, and then you said, I don't know if it's this way.
I said, I don't know if it's this way or not. Because, well, I
She's
don't
been to
usually
this
know
park
where the hell
600 times.
And now you're out.
And that's how you lose the game. You know when they're tired, they don't even make a move towards the splash pad. That's when them babies are sleepy. Well, more weather's sort of moved in. It's kind of a nice day. The weights are meh today. And we always do the same loop in islands because there's really nothing on this side that we ride other than Spider-Man. Oh, jam time. The tears stream down your face. All right, putting a bow on it. We had an amazing day. That was Volcano Bay. Got a bunch done there. Amazing splash pad, right? Can only vlog a little bit. Only sneak the cami on. Macy did great. She's gonna be asleep by the time we, yeah, it's right here. By the time we head out of the parking lot. Mom's resolve was better. It was better. And nothing better. It was better. And she gave us permission to come, which was very nice. You got your bottles coming, baby. Mommy's got your bottle right now.
Let's eat first, Macy.
Just give her the bottle, let her sleep. Who cares about food? She doesn't. And yeah, another good trip. It was a weekend trip. And this was the end of spring break, the week after Easter. Crowds were amazingly low. Macy's not gonna make it out of the parking lot. Sawyer might make it out of the parking lot. Mom is
Not making it to home.
I'll be alone on this drive, but I'm all caffeined up, so it's good. Sawyer!
Okay, no vax. Out.
Out.